Alrighty, welcome guys to this lecture. Let me just save the blend file. We're going to be doing the fur on the second part, which is, let me see, the legs. Fairly easy. Go to the particle system, make sure you're in object mode again, press the plus sign, and we will say legs. Highlight that, copy, press enter. Double tap particle system. It's frozen. Double tap. Come on. Paste. Enter. Go to the modifiers and give it that naming, same naming convention. Now we have that. The legs, go back to the particle system. Change this to hair. Go down to vertex groups and make sure our density is using the legs for vertex group, legs for vertex group. And go back to the emission. This is too much, 0.5. Even that's too much. 0.1. Nay, let's say 0.3. 0.2 then. Then I'll settle for that. 0.2 seems fine with me. The rest I can maneuver and change later. To the render part, change the material later. The part B spline 3 is fine. Renderer, viewport display. I'm gonna say interpolate. So 10 number of children. Now go to the particle, not edit mode, particle edit tab. Just need to grab the comb brush, decrease the brush size. Just gonna pick these upwards. They are a lot, so I'm just gonna comb these down, just pushing them upwards. I like that direction. I think my symmetry is turned off again. Oh, not. Sometimes this doesn't work for me. It is not. And just taking these down. Seems a lot. Doing a lot of twisting here. Like that. And coming from this side now. Definitely. Just pushing these guys now upwards. Like that. Probably turn off symmetry. It is not working well. Hope it doesn't crash on us now. Just give some time to load. I don't know what's happening. Blender is just frozen, probably will crash anytime soon. And we'll just probably restart everything. Hopefully not. Hopefully it doesn't crash. Okay, let me see if I'm back in or not. Ooh. What happened there? Straight length, root, position. I need to turn this on again. Okay, we're back in. I'm gonna turn off the children for now while I'm doing the updating and turn the symmetry back on. Control this. We almost lost this. Just wanna see if how this working out. Now you just see me just combing these upwards. Like so. Grab it on this side. Just making sure that it doesn't, as you see, it's going outside. Just sure it's just touching the skin like that. Like so. And then this goes to the back legs. Same process. Just picking them up. And just making sure that we're not touching the other section. And over here, these ones should be just these are very long. I might make them way shorter. Pushing forward. Like that. Then push them inside. Went overboard. Just undo that. Just check it in all angles. And just creating that wavy. So same process over here. Push them upwards. Push them to the top. Like so. Just checking in all angles. Push them inside. And also here on top. And just coming in, starting those down. Checking the in all angles again. Just be careful of this, because it sometimes you do miss certain parts on it, so just be careful of that. So I'll press F, decrease the brush size, and just grab these ones on top, push them downwards. Grab the lens brush, we'll make sure we have shrink. I want to shrink this. It's a bit too long. Shrink these guys as a and grab the comb brush, grab the lens brush, just shrink these. Apparently they are very long. Now, so here at the bottom, and we'll come back to the front, legs, the forelimbs, and here we're gonna shrink this like crazy. And over here, like that, and this guy. Grab the comb brush again, just to do some minor adjustments. And we'll grab the puff brush. So I'll puff it over here. Just taking some of these guys out. Like that on the sides. And the back also. I have to shrink these. They're way too long. Just making sure that they're a bit shorter here at the bottom. And over here, so. And again, just coming back and decreasing these. Way too much. I'll grab the puff brush again. I'll puff some of these. Decrease the brush size. And just puff these back ones. Yeah. Grab the lens brush, decrease the size. Yeah, on top. Just decreasing that. And over here on the side. there. So don't make it a bit longer than that. Yeah, Control S to save. Probably need to comb these. Just give it that variation. Just breaking that uniformness that it has currently. In Blender, you can grab these single verts and just play around with them. Just changing the preview. You take over here, and you can see strands. And over here also. Give that curvature. And just breaking some of the surface. And just pushing these ones inwards, grab the smooth brush and just smoothing this out. Not too happy with this back side. But it does make sense now. Back to object mode. You can see that in more detail. Once we add like those effects, you can kind of see how everything is going to be laying out. Right now everything is still straight, but we're still going to edit that. So to do that, we're going to do it in the following lectures. So this is it for the leg fur, and I'll see you guys in the next one.